guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drishti Makhijani, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By the way, I changed my name back to what it was before, and I never changed it actually on my documents. Gazette pe change kiya tha, but apart from that, I never changed it. I am going back to my name because I kind of love the way I was before changing it to Alia or Devi, and I think I want to go there again. I want to be the most highest self of myself, and I believe and I feel that I had seen the most highest self of myself when I was Drishti, and which is why the decision of changing it back. So yeah, that is clear. This video is actually about going to YouTube's Creator Collective. It's been 10 long years almost that I started creating content, and finally I have been invited to YouTube's Creator Collective. So today we're going to head to Pune because Mumbai mein nahi ho raha hai, but Pune mein ho raha hai. So I did not want to lose the chance of going to a Creator Collective. It's like a huge deal for me. So yeah, we're heading there. It's currently 5:30 a.m. And I'm getting ready. I'm just having my coffee, and I also got my nails done, as in घर पे कर लिए, gush के लिए थे. These are like very cute, short size, short length, but French. This is what I had planned to actually get it done from my nail technician, but honestly I didn't have the time to go to her because there was a lot of things happening at the back end, so I had to skip that, and which is why I just got Gush Beauty's stick-ons and got this done myself at home. I'm going to take you along for the entire day, so stay tuned and keep watching this video, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. Bye. I am wearing this blazer on the top. This is actually from Sarojini. ये मैंने 250-300 का लिया था, and it's so comfortable, looks really nice. अभी ये ना कैमरा पे थोड़ा लाइट बेज लग रहा है, बट दिस लाइक प्रॉपर लाइट कॉफ़ी कलर, लाइक अपना कोल्ड कॉफ़ी बनता है जिससे, वैसा कलर है. एंड आई एम वेयरिंग दिस रेड ड्रेस बिकॉज यूट्यूब एंड रेड गो हैंड इन हैंड, विच इज़ वाई this red dress from Amazon. I'll share the full look soon, and I'm carrying this bag with it. Also one of my nails broke before, तो मैंने अभी attach कर लिया वापस से दूसरा nail. And lastly I'll share my footwear very soon and the entire look very soon. My makeup is all packed. I am actually probably going to do the makeup and then leave, but I'm not very sure कि यहाँ पे करके निकलूँ कि नहीं, because on the way यहाँ से 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे पहुँचने को, and I don't want कि makeup melt होने लगे. But I think I'll probably do it and leave, and I'll carry the touch up वाला pack. Hi, bolo hi. Hello. This is the next morning. I'm so puffed up and so exhausted from yesterday's event. I had a lot of fun, made so many new friends, had a great catch up with a lot of like-minded people, and it felt really nice. It felt amazing. It was my first YouTube event, and honestly, it couldn't have been any better. It was really good. I met people who were not very, hoity-toity, mean, or basically, like I said, like-minded people where even if they were like big influencers, they did not make me feel any smaller. So had a lot of great time, and I'm going to also show you the thing that YouTube gave us. So we left Pune at around I think 7:30, and it was so exhausting. We reached home by 11:30, 12. It was exhausting. You can see my halat, but it turned out to be a great day. It turned out to be like, it was all worth it going there all the way from Mumbai. It was all worth it. Lunch was really like vast. They also had kept snacks after the entire event. So I did have a vada and one small jalapeno popper, and it was really nice. I did not take any snippets because I was so exhausted. And plus, I get overwhelmed when I'm meeting people. I don't usually remember to shoot. That vlogger inside me is still not completely awake, so probably I keep forgetting to shoot small snippets from the event or wherever I'm going. But yeah, I think I'm going to make it a point to remember to shoot everything. But it was a great meetup with people. I learned a lot from my fellow creators, and there was so much insight that I actually got, and it felt nice, really nice for a change. Like, it felt that I'm meeting people who are actually so sweet and giving. So yeah, that was a great thing. I'll also show you all the gift that we received from YouTube. It's really cute. I'll show you all. Wait. So this is the box that we received. A pouch and the sling with it, and this cute message from the team. And we also received these 3 keychains. Definitely using this one for one of my keys. Overall, the event had a lot of activity, and I'm going to give you all a basic idea of what happened at the event. So when we entered, firstly, they were like, we already were served lunch. When we did the registration literally 1 minute bhi nahi lagta hai. Register karne ke baad you enter. There was a very big, I don't know what it is exactly called, but a background kept for people to take pictures and videos. So we did that. I made new friends over there itself. In fact, I started talking to one of the creators, and she helped me take pictures, and I took pictures for her. Then we went inside. There was lunch served, but like I said, I did not eat. After half an hour or so, once the lunch was served and done, we were made to sit inside, and there were round tables. I'll probably put some snippets here so you'll understand. There were round tables, and people were like, all of us were sitting on those tables, and 7 to 8 creators were supposed to be sitting on one table. So we were given different activities like Jenga or spin the wheel. So it was very interactive. Like, you were actually I would not want to use the word forced, but you were actually made to interact with people who were sitting on the table. And I think that's a great initiative by YouTube, because usually people who are not in their like, as of now I'm not very shy, but when I was very young I was actually extremely shy, and I could not talk to people. But if people who are even now like that, it helps them to break the ice. and it was really nice. Like Jenga also had certain questions that we had to answer as creators with each other. Basically it helped us getting to know each other more and learn from each other, and we also were given a lot of insight on other things. So I think activity wise and details wise and educational wise, it was really great, and I think as a creator we learned quite a lot. Apart from that, yeah, that's a basic thing, that's a gist of what the the event was. And I think that's it for this video. If you all enjoy this vlog, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.